Launch X431 Pro III Plus SmartLink versus Autel MaxiCOM 908 Pro II. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and everything that makes your garage smarter. Before we dive deep, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All visuals and brand references belong to their rightful owners. We follow fair use guidelines and encourage every technician and enthusiast watching to always follow official manufacturer protocols and local regulations while working on vehicles. Now, here's the question of the day. Between the Launch X431 Pro III Plus SmartLink and the Autel MaxiCOM 908 Pro II, which diagnostic beast truly dominates the workshop floor? Stick around till the end, because today we're not just comparing specs, we're breaking down real-world usability, feature power, and value-for-money insights that you won't want to miss. Let's get into it. Both these scanners, the Launch X431 Pro III Plus SmartLink and the Autel MaxiCOM 908 Pro II, sit at the very top of the professional diagnostic tool hierarchy. They're designed for serious technicians who deal with full system diagnostics, ECU coding, and even programming on modern vehicles. But despite their shared professional DNA, these two devices are built with very different philosophies in mind. Let's start with what's under the hood, the system and performance. Both run on Android 10, which means smooth navigation and compatibility with modern apps. But when we peek inside, the Autel 908 Pro II steps ahead in raw processing power with its 8-core processor, compared to the 4-core 2.0 GHz setup on the Launch X431. That translates to faster boot-up times, smoother multitasking, and quicker diagnostics when handling heavy data streams. Memory-wise, Autel again flexes its muscle. 4 GB RAM is standard on both, but Autel doubles the storage with 128 GB from compared to Launch's 64 GB. So if you're storing lots of vehicle data, diagnostic logs, or repair files, that extra memory can make a difference in daily workflow. Even the display gets an edge. Both feature large 10.1-inch screens, but Autel's higher 1920 by 1200 resolution delivers noticeably sharper visuals than Launch's 1280 by 800 panel, making it easier to read live data or wiring diagrams. However, when it comes to battery endurance, the gap widens dramatically. Autel's massive 15,000 mAh battery can last an entire workday or more, while Launch's 6,300 mAh pack needs a midday recharge during heavy use. So for mobile mechanics or field work, the Autel definitely wins the stamina battle. Now let's talk about diagnostics, the heart of both tools. Both support full system diagnostics, auto-VIN, live data monitoring, and bidirectional active tests. But Launch adds its own flavor with 4-in-1 live data view and 12-in-1 data stream functions, making it easier to visualize and compare readings across multiple sensors simultaneously. Meanwhile, Autel steps ahead slightly with its 5-in-1 PIDs, offering even more granular data analysis in certain systems. Both feature auto-VIN, but Autel's auto-VIN 2.0 is faster and more accurate, especially on newer vehicles. One of the most interesting features Launch brings to the table is its extensive guided functions. It supports both BMW and VAG guided diagnostics, a major time saver for technicians working on complex modules. Autel, on the other hand, only supports VAG guided functions, skipping BMW entirely. Similarly, Launch's support for pin detection gives it a unique advantage during immobilizer-related tasks, something the Autel system lacks. When it comes to ECU-level capabilities, Autel gains ground again with full ECU programming support. This is a critical feature for advanced workshops dealing with reprogramming or module replacement. Launch does support ECU coding but lacks built-in ECU programming, which may limit certain operations unless paired with other modules. Now let's move into communication protocols, where Launch absolutely shines. The X431 Pro III Plus supports advanced protocols like an FD and DoIP right out of the box. This makes it future-ready for next-gen vehicles, especially European models. Autel's 908 Malawian Pro II doesn't include built-in CAN FD, which means it might need extra adapters or updates to handle some newer vehicle networks. That's a key difference that can affect compatibility in the long run. Speaking of connectivity, both scanners support J2534 pass-through protocols, but Launch goes further with added DPDU and RP1230 support, making it highly versatile for OEM-level diagnostics. And here's where things get even more interesting. The Launch SmartLink system allows for super remote diagnostics, letting technicians connect and diagnose vehicles remotely, a game changer for workshops offering remote assistance or fleet services. Gateway unlocks are another big talking point. The Launch Pro III Plus supports FCA, Renault, VG, and even EU Benz gateways, while Autel's 908 Malawian Pro II supports FCA, VG, and Nissan gateways. That extra flexibility can make a huge difference if you're handling multiple brands every day. Then there's Launch's access to the Haynes Pro or X431 fixed repair database, something the Autel doesn't offer at all. This means with Launch, you not only identify problems, but also access guided repair information, wiring diagrams, and verified fix cases directly from the tablet, saving valuable time on research. Another highlight is topology mapping. Launch gives you a complete visual representation of all system networks in the car, every ECU, every module, and how they interconnect. It's a technician's dream for quickly identifying communication faults. Autel, surprisingly, doesn't have this feature in the 908 Malawian Pro II, but the biggest difference lies in expandability. Launch has turned the X431 platform into a complete diagnostic ecosystem. With optional modules like TPMS tools, the EM101 N multimeter, the S2-2 sensor box, the O2-2 oscilloscope, the BST360 battery tester, motorcycle diagnostic kit, heavy-duty module, and even an EV diagnostic kit, you can literally grow this tool into a complete diagnostic suite. Autel's 908 Malawian Pro II, while powerful, is more limited in expansion, mainly supporting a battery tester and videoscope. Let's not forget ADAS calibration. The Launch X431 Pro III Plus supports ADAS with additional equipment, something Autel's 908 Malawian Pro II doesn't provide. This could be critical if your workshop handles advanced driver assistance systems. Language options and updates are another area of contrast. Launch supports over 23 languages with 2 years of free updates, while Autel supports around 21 languages but only gives 1 year of updates, with a hefty $600 yearly renewal fee afterward. That's a significant ownership cost difference. Now, when it comes to price, the numbers speak for themselves. The Launch X431 Pro III Plus SmartLink sells for around $999 globally or $939 in the EU and UK regions, while the Autel 908 Malawian Pro II costs about $1,649. Considering the Launch includes broader compatibility, more add-ons, and a longer free update period, it's clearly a better value for workshops that need versatility on a budget. So if we sum it all up, the Autel 908 Malawian Pro II wins on pure hardware and speed. Faster processor, bigger battery, higher storage. But Launch X431 Pro III Plus SmartLink wins where it truly counts for long-term technicians. Compatibility, expandability, protocol coverage, and cost efficiency. Now that we've seen both sides of this powerful comparison, here's my take.
In my opinion, the Launch X431 Pro III Plus SmartLink offers better real-world value for workshops that handle diverse vehicle types and want a future-proof, modular setup. It's more versatile, supports advanced communication protocols like an FD and DoIP, and gives you options to expand into EVs, heavy-duty vehicles, and more. The Autel 908 Malawian Pro II, on the other hand, is an excellent choice for workshops that prioritize raw performance, fast programming, and a seamless user interface. So, to answer our opening question, which one's better? It depends on your needs. If you're all about performance and ECU programming, go for the Autel 908 Malawian Pro II. But if you want flexibility, modular expansion, and more features per dollar, the Launch X431 Pro III SmartLink is the tool to beat. Before you head out, here's a quick fun fact. The Launch SmartLink platform was among the first to enable remote diagnostics across continents, letting certified technicians in different regions collaborate in real time. That's the future of automotive service right there. Now it's your turn. Which one would you choose for your workshop? Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's hit our goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments to keep Baabji Motors climbing the YouTube leaderboard. Don't forget to hype this video and subscribe if you love deep dive comparisons like this one. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy diagnosing.